What if I told you a brand that died in 1946 just came back and made Rolls-Royce look like they're playing checkers while these guys are playing four? Chess is the 2026 Hispano-Suiza J12. And yes, I said Hispano-Suiza, the same brand that once built aircraft engines for World War I. The same mark that Bugatti feared in the 1930s. This is not a concept. This is not a render. This is real, and it might be the most important luxury car of the decade. For those who don't know, Hispano-Suiza is a Spanish-Swiss house, founded in 1904. At their peak in the pre-war era, they were the definition of ultra-luxury. Kings drove them. Movie stars drove them. Their stork emblem, that flying crane you see right there on the trunk, was the symbol of excellence. The brand went dormant, but the family never gave up. And in 2025, they dropped hints about the J12, named after their legendary pre-war flagship, the original H6 J12 from 1931. Now in 2026, it's here, and it's out for blood. Let's talk about this exterior because I genuinely cannot stop staring at it. That two-tone colorway, deep midnight navy over ivory, it looks like they took a 1937 Art Deco coupe and ran it through a futurism filter. That wave graphic along the lower body panel, that is pure hand-formed coachwork. No CAD shortcut, no press stamp. The roofline is a long, sweeping fastback. This car is over 19 feet long and sits low. It looks aggressive and serene at the same time, which should be impossible. Up front, that chrome vertical grille is massive. We're talking 23 individual chrome bars flanking the stork crest badge. The LED headlights are razor thin and modern, but somehow look absolutely correct on this retro form. Out back, look at that rear deck. That glowing LED stork emblem backlit in ice blue, the name Hispano-Suiza J12 scripted in metallic chrome. Quad exhaust tips, 4 pipes per side, 8 total. This thing announces itself. Now here's where it gets wild. Under that long hood, and I mean long, sits a hand-assembled 6.5-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine. We're talking 800 horsepower and 885 pound-feet of torque, paired with a ZF 9-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Because yes, these people have conviction. The J12 reportedly hits 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. For a car that weighs 5,400 pounds, that is genuinely insane. The exhaust note, based on what we've heard from early test drives, sounds like a jet turbine, crossed with a cathedral organ. Deep, layered, authoritative. And word is Hispano-Suiza is also working on a hybrid variant for 2027, which could push output past 50 horsepower while cutting emissions enough to comply with European regulations. We'll talk about that in a future video. Okay? The inside. I need a moment. The dashboard is one continuous piece of hand-polished Santos rosewood. That's an endangered tier exotic wood, stretching the entire width of the cabin. In the center sits a curved ultra-wide digital display, but Hispano-Suiza flanked it with analog gauges, like actual clockwork dials. In 2026, I love it. The steering wheel, wrapped in two-tone leather with that flying stork emblem embossed center, feels like something a watchmaker designed. Seats are quilted cream leather with navy piping. Every stitch is done by hand. There are crystal gear selector knobs. You heard me, crystal. Like cut glass from a Venetian chandelier. The infotainment system supports over-the-air updates and runs on a bespoke OS, but they buried it tastefully behind the wood grain so it doesn't ruin the period aesthetic. This interior isn't just luxury, it's art installation luxury. Now, who does this car compete with? Great question. On price and exclusivity, you're looking at the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, which starts at $28 million for 3 cars and is essentially custom jewelry. Different league, honestly. More directly, the Rolls-Royce Phantom Extended at around $600 K, the Bentley Mulsanne, if you can still find a new one, and the Bugatti Tourbillon at $3.8 million. But here's the thing nobody's saying out loud. The J12 doesn't really compete with those cars. Those cars are refinements of existing formulas. The J12 is trying to reinvent what the formula means. Rolls-Royce competes on whisper-quiet isolation. Bentley competes on performance heritage. Bugatti competes on engineering spectacle. Hispano-Suiza is competing on soul. And that might be the rarest luxury commodity of all. Look, the 2026 Hispano-Suiza J12 isn't a car for most people. It isn't a car for any people, honestly. 12 units exist on Earth. But what it represents matters to every car person watching this. It says that beauty still matters. That craft still matters. That a 120-year-old name can come back and remind the entire industry what ambition actually looks like. At $2.4 million, 12 copies, 800 horsepower, and a design that makes grown men weep. This might be the most important ultra-luxury car of the 2020s. I'm putting the Hispano-Suiza J12 in the conversation, not just for best new car of the year, for best car of the decade. If you want the deep dive on that rumored 2027 hybrid J12 and whether it's actually happening, drop a comment below. If this video hits 50,000 likes, I'll fly to Barcelona to get the exclusive.